Hello, in today's video, I'll show you how to fix your ROBOROCK Saros Z70 charging slowly. If it isn't charging at all, then you may want to check a different video on our channel on not charging fix, but this one is if it is charging slowly. And now, if your robot's temperature is very high or very low, then it may reduce the speed of charging. If it is very high, try removing it from the station and let it cool down a little bit. Make sure your robot and the station are plugged in and set in a location that isn't too hot. So preferably not by the window, so there's no direct sunlight on it. And if it was very cold, though, I wouldn't recommend charging it before it gets to room temperature, which may take 6 to 12 hours. And after that, you may want to plug it in and see if it has, if the charging rate is a bit faster. Now, the next thing is to charge the contact pins, which are right here on the back of the robot, these two. And on the inside, you can see there are also silver pins. But to clean them, I recommend unplugging the station from power and waiting a few minutes before the light on top of the station turns off. So then you can begin to clean the silver contacts, and that should increase the speed. You may also want to try a different power cord, a different power outlet, or make sure that maybe even a different room, because maybe there's something wrong with the household breaker circuit that you have, and you may want to just like plug in a different room. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.